The first thing we're going to do is to enter YouTube URL. If you have been using your YouTube, it will automatically sign you in, and you go to your left hand corner, you see history. Now you click on history. Then
If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
now there are different ways you can delete your YouTube channel. You can manually remove them this way. Manually remove it. You can see I delete. You can see that one is gone. You can manually click on this, and manually delete it. Or you can decide to clear all watch history. Now this one will automatically clear all the history, all your YouTube history. Or you don't want to clear all the history, but rather you want to manage the history. Now you can go to manage all here. Manage all history. Now under this, you will see save your YouTube history. Now we have another page here, but our concern here is not to save our YouTube history, but to delete it. So we go back to manage all history. Then we go here, down here, we see auto delete off. In my own setting, I put it off, so you can put it on. You can put it on and you can select when you want YouTube to be clearing your history for you. You can do it 3 months, every 3 months, every 18 months, every days. Or if you don't want that, I don't want that. Now you can still come down and delete. Let's see, you can still delete for today, what you watch today. You can delete for all time, all the time you're watching YouTube, all the history will be deleted. Or you can customize the time period, maybe from so date, let's say from on the 2nd, July 2nd till, let's say till first day of, or let's say 1st of August. Automatically we click on next. It's processing it. It's going to ask you, confirm you would like to delete, blah, blah, blah. So once it deletes, those things are gone. All those things I've watched are gone. Okay.